I was playing a random game and I noticed a sound. This sounds okay, but when you walk on grass, the sound effect at the end has a click or clip. Let's make it louder. Now, because I don't know how to extract the files from a game, I quickly recorded it in Audacity, and let's isolate one of them. And if we zoom in at the end here, we can see that the problem is simply that the sound effect ends not at 0 amplitude. The same effect can be heard in Audacity, for example. The solution is to just select the very last sample and then shift-click drag to the left. Yeah, I guess this is a good area. And then just go to Effect Fade Out. Wait a second, looks like I need to select one more. So hold down Shift, drag to the right, and Effect Fade Out. And there it is, all fixed. The same thing could happen at the start, so we can just do the same with Fade In. And then you would just select at the start and select the silence at the end. Delete. Go to File, Export, export as WAV, and probably export as 16-bit. All done. And if we were to use it in the game, this is how it sounds before. And this is how it would sound after. Hope this helped. I'll see you next time. Ciao.